Hi there. Welcome to today's episode, where we learn real English for real life. You'll hear short, everyday conversations from places like salons, shops, and city streets. Simple phrases, clear questions, and useful answers, all designed for beginners. My name is Nina, and I'll be your guide. I speak slowly, clearly, and with a natural American accent. Let's listen, repeat, and learn together, one scene at a time. Mine gets frizzy easily and I don't want it straightened. Do you have someone good with curly hair? Yes, we do. She works mostly with curls and natural texture. She avoids heat unless you ask, and uses curl-friendly products. I just dyed my hair last week, and I want the color to last. Is this shampoo okay for colored hair? Yes, it's sulfate-free and protects color. It also has UV filters to keep the tone fresh longer. I'm only in town for 2 days and I don't have the app. Can I book without it? Yes, you can book in person or by phone. We save a few walk-in slots daily for visitors. My bangs are in my eyes, but I don't need a full haircut. Can I get just a quick trim? Sure, we offer express trims. Under 10 minutes. You can stop by any time before 6 p.m. My scalp's been dry lately, maybe from travel. Do you offer scalp treatments? Yes, we have hydrating and soothing options. They're great after long flights or during colder months. Can I book without the app? I'm only in town for 2 days and my phone doesn't support it. Yes, you can book in person or by phone. We save a few walk-in slots daily for visitors. My bangs are in my eyes, but I don't need a full haircut. Can I get just a quick trim? Sure, we offer express trims. Under 10 minutes. You can stop by any time before 6 p.m. Do you have someone good with curly hair? Mine gets frizzy easily and I don't want it straightened. Yes, we do. She works mostly with curls and natural texture. She avoids heat unless you ask, and uses curl-friendly products. I dyed my hair last week, and I want the color to last. Is this shampoo okay for colored hair? Yes, it's sulfate-free and protects color. It also has UV filters to keep the tone fresh longer. Do you offer scalp treatments? My scalp's been dry lately, maybe from travel. Yes, we have hydrating and soothing options. They're great after long flights or during colder months. Where's the bread aisle? I'm in a hurry and just need something for breakfast. It's aisle 3, right next to the dairy section. We restocked fresh rolls this morning, they're still warm. I'm trying to eat less sugar lately. Is this yogurt sugar-free? Yes, it's labeled no added sugar and sweetened with stevia. It's popular with people watching their diet. Do you take card? I don't have any cash on me today. Yes, we accept all major cards and mobile payments. If you're using contactless, just tap the screen at checkout. I just moved here last week. Do you have a loyalty card I can sign up for? Yes, you can register at the counter or online. It gives you discounts after your 3rd visit. Is this cheese okay for vegetarians? My sister doesn't eat animal rennet. Yes, it's made with microbial enzymes. Fully vegetarian. We also have a vegan version in the next fridge. Do you have small carts? I'm only grabbing a few things and the big ones are hard to push. Yes, they're by the entrance near the baskets. They're great for quick visits or narrow aisles. Can I get this to go? I'm heading to work and don't have time to sit. Yes, we offer all drinks and snacks for takeout. You'll get a cardboard sleeve so it's easy to carry. I'm trying to cut down on caffeine. Is this coffee decaf? Yes, it's a medium roast decaf, smooth and not bitter. We also have herbal teas if you want something lighter. Do you have almond milk? I'm lactose intolerant, so I avoid regular milk. Yes, we have almond, oat, and soy milk options. Just let us know when you order, no extra charge. Can I sit outside? It's a nice day and I prefer fresh air. Yes, the patio is open and has shaded tables. There's also Wi-Fi outside if you need to work. I just moved here last week. Do you have a loyalty card or something like that? Yes, you can sign up at the counter, it's free. Every 10th drink is on us and you get birthday perks too. Is this muffin gluten-free? My friend has celiac and I want to be sure. Yes, that one's made with almond flour and no wheat. We label all allergens clearly on the display. My gloves are worn out, and I forgot to bring a new pair. Do you have any extras on site? Yes, we keep spare gear in the storage container. Just sign the logbook when you take something. It's for safety tracking. Where's the safety gear? I'm new here and don't know the layout yet. It's in the locker room, second door on the left. Hard hats and vests are mandatory before entering the active zone. I usually take my break around noon. Is that when lunch is scheduled here? Yes, lunch break is from 12 to 12:30. There's a microwave in the break room if you bring your own food. Can I use the power drill today? I need to fix the panel near the entrance. Yes, just check it out with the supervisor first. Make sure the battery's charged. We had issues with it yesterday. I'm not sure how to report a loose cable. Is there a form or something? Yes, there's a hazard report sheet in the office. You can also mention it during the morning safety briefing. Do we get paid weekly or bi-weekly? I'm trying to plan my rent payments. It's bi-weekly, every other Friday. You'll get a pay stub by email the day before. Does this bus go downtown? I'm meeting a friend near the main square and don't want to get lost. Yes, it stops right by the Central Plaza. Just stay on until the 6th stop. It's clearly marked. I forgot my monthly pass at home. Can I still ride with cash? Yes, you can pay the driver directly. Just make sure to have exact change. They don't carry coins. Is this the right platform for the airport shuttle? I'm flying out this afternoon and don't want to miss it. Yes, this is the correct one. It leaves every 30 minutes. There's a digital board above with the next departure time. Can I use this ticket for both bus and tram? I'm switching lines in about 20 minutes. Yes, the ticket is valid for 90 minutes across all city transport. Just keep it with you in case of inspection. I'm new in town and still learning the routes. Is there a map I can take with me? Yes, there are free route maps at the info desk. You can also download the app. It shows live arrivals. Do you offer student discounts? My son just started college and commutes daily. Yes, students get 30% off with a valid ID. He can apply online or at the central station. Can I see the lunch menu? I'm trying to eat something light before my shift. Sure, we have sandwiches, salads, and a soup of the day. The turkey wrap is popular and comes with a side of fruit. I just arrived from out of town. Do I need a reservation to sit here? No, walk-ins are welcome, especially during lunch hours. If it gets busy, we'll put you on a short wait list. Is tip included in the bill? I don't want to make a mistake. I'm still learning how it works here. No, tips are separate, usually 15 to 20%. You can leave cash or add it when paying by card. I'm vegetarian, but I'm okay with eggs and cheese. Do you have something I can eat? Yes, we have a veggie omelet and grilled cheese sandwich. You can also ask to remove meat from most dishes. Can I get this to go? I'm running late and need to eat on the way. Absolutely, we'll pack it in a box with utensils. Just let the server know before they bring it out. Do you have free refills on coffee? I've got a long day ahead and might need a few cups. Yes, refills are free as long as you're dining in. We also offer decaf if you want to switch later. I've had a headache since yesterday and it's getting worse. Can I see a doctor today? Yes, we have walk-in hours until 4 p.m. If it's urgent, we'll try to fit you in sooner. Do I need insurance to get checked here? I'm not from this country, just visiting for a few weeks. No, you can pay directly. We'll explain the costs before the exam. We also offer travel health packages for short stays. My throat feels sore and I have a slight fever. Can I get tested for something? Yes, we can run a quick strep and flu test. Results are ready in 15 minutes, and we'll let you know right away. Is there a pharmacy nearby? I'll need to pick up the medicine after this. Yes, there's one across the street, open until 9 p.m. They accept prescriptions from our clinic without delay. Can I get a note for work? I missed my shift yesterday because I felt sick. Yes, the doctor can write a medical excuse after your visit. Just mention it during the consultation so it's included. I'm allergic to penicillin. Can I still get antibiotics if I need them? Yes, we'll prescribe something safe for you. We always check allergies before giving any medication. I need to send a birthday gift to my cousin in Germany. How long does international shipping take? It usually takes 7 to 10 business days. We also offer express options if you need it there faster. Can I track this package after I send it? It's something important, and I want to be sure it arrives. Yes, you'll get a tracking number on your receipt. You can check updates online or through our app. I'm not sure how much this weighs. Can you help me figure out the postage? Of course, we'll weigh it here and calculate the cost. If it's under 500 grams, it qualifies for the small parcel rate. Do you sell stamps here? I just need a few for regular letters. Yes, we have individual stamps and booklets. You can also get themed ones if you want something fun. I moved last month and still get mail at my old address. Can I set up mail forwarding? Yes, we offer forwarding for up to 12 months. Just fill out the form and show your ID. Is this envelope okay for sending documents abroad? It's a contract, so I want it to stay flat and safe. Yes, that one's padded and moisture resistant. We also have rigid mailers if you need extra protection. Do you have this in large? I tried medium, but it's a bit tight around the shoulders. Yes, we have large and extra large in the back. I'll bring both so you can compare the fit. I bought this jacket last week, but the zipper broke. Can I return it without the receipt? Yes, if you paid by card, we can look it up in the system. Just bring the item and your bank statement if possible. Is this shirt made of cotton? I have sensitive skin and can't wear synthetic fabrics. Yes, it's 100% organic cotton. We also have linen options if you prefer something lighter. Can I try this on? I'm not sure about the length. I'm a bit shorter than average. Of course, the fitting rooms are to the left. Let me know if you need help with sizing or a different style. I'm looking for something formal but not too stiff. Do you have soft blazers or relaxed trousers? Yes, we have stretch-fit blazers and wrinkle-free pants. They're popular for office wear and travel. Do you offer student discounts? My daughter's starting college and needs some basics. Yes, students get 10% off with a valid ID. The discount applies to all regular priced items. My brakes are making a weird noise when I stop. Can I bring the car in today? Yes, we have a few open slots this afternoon. It's best to check it early. Brake issues can get worse quickly. Do I need an appointment for an oil change? I'm on my lunch break and just passing by. No, oil changes are available without booking. It usually takes about 30 minutes if there's no wait. I just bought this car secondhand. Can you check if everything's okay before I start driving long distances? Yes, we offer full inspection packages. They include brakes, fluids, tires, and battery check. Is this covered by warranty? The car's still under dealership coverage, I think. If it's a manufacturer issue, yes, we'll confirm with your VIN. We can also call the dealer for you if needed. Can I wait here while you fix it? I don't have a ride back home. Yes, we have a waiting area with coffee and Wi-Fi. We'll let you know if it takes longer than expected. Do you offer tire rotation? I've driven over 10,000 kilometers and haven't done it yet. Yes, we recommend rotation every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. It helps your tires wear evenly and last longer. The elevator was stuck this morning, and I had to take the stairs. Is it working now? Yes, the technician came around noon and fixed the issue. They also checked the buttons. Everything should be smooth now. Can I speak to the landlord? I just moved in and have a few questions about the lease. Yes, he's usually in the office between 10 and 2. You can also leave a note in the mailbox if he's not around. My neighbor plays loud music every night. Is there a rule about noise after a certain hour? Yes, quiet hours start at 10 p.m. If it continues, you can report it to building management. Do you offer parking spots for tenants? I just got a car and don't want to park on the street. Yes, we have assigned spots in the back lot. There's a small monthly fee, and you'll get a sticker for your windshield. I'm expecting a package tomorrow. Can the delivery guy leave it at the front desk? Yes, we accept packages and hold them for 48 hours. Just bring your ID when picking it up. Is there a laundry room in the building? I don't have a washer in my unit. Yes, it's on the ground floor. Open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You'll need coins or a prepaid laundry card. The elevator was stuck this morning, and I had to take the stairs. Is it working now? Yes, the technician came around noon and fixed the issue. They also checked the buttons. Everything should be smooth now. Can I speak to the landlord? I just moved in and have a few questions about the lease. Yes, he's usually in the office between 10 and 2. You can also leave a note in the mailbox if he's not around. My neighbor plays loud music every night. Is there a rule about noise after a certain hour? Yes, quiet hours start at 10 p.m. If it continues, you can report it to building management. Do you offer parking spots for tenants? I just got a car and don't want to park on the street. Yes, we have assigned spots in the back lot. There's a small monthly fee, and you'll get a sticker for your windshield. I'm expecting a package tomorrow. Can the delivery guy leave it at the front desk? Yes, we accept packages and hold them for 48 hours. Just bring your ID when picking it up. Is there a laundry room in the building? I don't have a washer in my unit. Yes, it's on the ground floor. Open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You'll need coins or a prepaid laundry card. Thanks for watching this episode. If you like learning real everyday English, hit subscribe, give us a like, and share with someone who needs it. See you in the next situation, practical, honest, and easy to use.